So today we are going to talk about how you can take advantage of the info opportunity and actually do what the gurus are doing to actually make a lot of money. All right, pretty much stop relying on YouTube AdSense as your only revenue source or the TikTok creative program. Actually run an info product. All right, and I'm going to teach you how to do it successfully and actually get results for your prospects in this channel, because you don't want to just scam these people. You actually want to give them value. You want to make them a lot of money. You want to be a helpful person. So today we are going to break down step by step what these people are doing, all right, and what you can do to get clients, all right, step by step. So if you want to know how you can potentially get up to, I don't know, even up to 50K a month if you have like a decent audience in literally 2 or 3 months just with info, stick to this video because it's literally going to teach you everything you need to know. All right, so first thing off, let's actually talk about how these people are making their money. So you may hear like all of these finance gurus just talk about like how they're making money with agencies, drop shipping agencies, all of these things. They're not making any more money with those. They're all making money through their courses. This is how you do it. There are 2 types of ways. The first one is high ticket. The second one is low ticket. So high ticket is anything that is more than $1,000. So for example, a coaching program, private network like the War Room by Andrew Tate, and low ticket is like school communities like Hamza's right here on a school course. So like a normal one-time payment course, a private Discord like a WAP, and a Patreon, which is a little bit old, but whatever. They're usually priced at like $49 a month, $47, $5 a month, $100, $500 max one-time payment. Now the problem is that you cannot just post a link to your coaching program that costs like $2,000 or to your low ticket info product that costs like 100 just on your Instagram story and expect a lot of people to enroll in, especially if you don't have like big audiences like 750,000 subscribers or like 1 mil. All right, you need a funnel. What is a funnel? It is basically like the steps that people need to take to actually become a client. So I'm going to show you how to do it. This is one that I did for my client. All right, the first step is actually right here. This is for high ticket. Opt in for the free training. They leave their info. We call the leads. We have appointment setters, blah, blah, blah. Not trying to sell you anything. Then they actually go through the free training. And right here, they apply for the coaching program. Now, the reason we do it just like as a form is because it's a lot less friction than just buying directly. They just apply. And we have a team of appointment setters and actual closers that close the deals. All right, pretty much this is what you want to do. You can hire VAs on like, I don't know, Upwork, but you need to train them. So then there's like also, again, VSL funnels, which is just like a video to nurture the prospect. This is also for high ticket, all right? Then there's also another free training funnel right here that I've put. Then there is my guy, Charlie Morgan. What does he do? He has a normal VSL funnel with a book a call to action. Here, same thing. People hop on the call and close the deals. Same. He's making 1 million a month doing this, all right? His product costs $15,000 and his closing rate is absurd. But here we have Hamza. This is interesting because it's a low ticket info product, all right? So he only has this little VSL and people just buy. He has first enough a free school community, all right, which has 166,000 people in. When you ask to join, they ask you for your email address, and here they get added to what is a lead nurturing sequence, which is something that basically just happens in the background, and it basically just nurtured the leads. Like this is the one that I did for my guy Ryan. Right here, for example, this is like an opt-in lead magnet. They like you need to put your name, phone, email. They get added to an email sequence. All right, and here we basically just send them emails. What do we do on these emails? We make them understand that they have a problem. All right, we underline the problem, and at the end we place ourselves as a solution. So click here to get mentored by me, the little call to action. All right, this one, yeah, here it is. So you just follow this framework, all right? Underline the problem, place yourself as a solution, call to action. And the way you actually run these backend systems is go high level, all right? It costs $500 a month, or you can also use Zapier, but it's just, in my opinion, I would only use Zapier for low ticket. So pretty much this is how you actually get people actually in your info product. If you're a beginner, all right, and you never did any funnel before, and you literally haven't even heard the term, you may find a lot of problems. So I'm going to tell you the best funnels right now. If you want to do high ticket, what you should do, in my opinion, is either a free training funnel, or what you can do is basically also a VSL funnel or a webinar funnel, all right? So a webinar funnel is just that you basically do like a free class, and then at the end, like a 2-hour free class. Now these people that go through the whole thing are really nurtured, and at the end, what you do is basically like you just pitch them the thing. If you want to get mentored by me, click on this link, whatever, just text me on IG this word, and stuff like that. VSL funnel is like this. It's like the little video, all right? Or if you actually want to add another step to it, it's the free training funnel, which in my opinion is the best one. It has literally the least amount of friction possible, but you need appointment setters, all right? Because you need to call the leads and everything. For low ticket, I would do, so let's say that you're running like a school community. So you can do like a free school funnel. Like, I'm not even going to include courses in there because at this point it's just dumb. Like nobody, like there's no point of actually selling a one-time course, literally. So free school funnel, you can also do like, also VSL funnel, it works. VSL funnel either on an actual landing page or directly on like the school's about page or on WAP. All right, now if you don't know what WAP is, it's basically like premium Discord servers, which I'm going to show you like right now. This one is one that I did for my client. All right, we are building also a landing page for him, but pretty much this is WAP. All right. In my opinion, these are the two best ones, but you need to do a lot of stuff in the back end in low ticket as well. So like you need go high level here, and you need go high level. Here is necessary. Like you cannot do this without go high level, in my opinion. Here I would recommend to also have appointment setters and also closers, because here we want to get calls booked in, so people watch like they get nurtured. So let's say they've watched a VSL, then what do? They book a call, and on the call we sell them the thing. All right. But we cannot just make them watch the VSL and directly buy. Like there's no way. So you need people to close, or you can do them yourself, like the sales calls. If you have experience maybe in the agency space, you can try. Here I wouldn't like actually make a call funnel for low ticket, but what you can do is upsell them. All right. So like the people that are inside, all right, your low ticket info product, you can try to bring them to high ticket. And here you basically just say, if you want more, whatever, by like hop on this call. I would love to share some things with you. They're going to hop on the call right here, and then they become like an actual client. All right. So this was everything for this video. So if you want us to actually take care of your info product, create the funnels, and generally just make it successful, hit me up on IG on go on our website, m.wminfoproducts.com. And yeah, pretty much that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.